Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to build the classic snake game using Python and Pygame. This game is simple, fun, and also a great way to learn programming, step by step. In this game, the snake starts small and moves with the arrow keys. Each time it eats food, the snake grows longer and the score increases. Food appears at random positions on the screen. As the snake grows, the speed also increases, which makes the game more challenging. If the snake hits the wall or its own body, the game is over, and you will see a game over screen with your final score and an option to restart. Next, open Visual Studio Code. Create a new file called snake.py and paste in the code. The code is organized into simple classes so it is easy to understand. The snake class controls the movement, growth, and collisions. The food class handles the random placement of food. The game class manages the start screen, the score display, the main loop, and the game over screen. To run the game, open the terminal in Visual Studio Code and type python snake.py. And so it is. You have manifested your very own snake game, forged in the fires of Python and brought to life by Pygame. This be a worthy first step on your journey, and a source of joy for you, I trust. If this humble lesson has resonated with you, then share its light, and join us again for further revelations. For this I am grateful, and I bid you peace in your coding. If you want the prompt, check the comment section. I have shared it there for you. Do not forget to like this video, and subscribe to the channel for more useful prompts and AI tricks. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.